Hey friends, just wanted to give you a quick demo on how to update your lead magnet files in Canva. After you make the purchase, you'll get a PDF with a link to access your files. All you have to do is either click on the link or copy and paste the URL into your browser, and that will send you right to the template file in Canva. Just sign in or create an account if you don't have one already. Most likely, you won't be using all of the cover pages, so you can go ahead and delete any of the ones that you don't need. You can also go ahead and delete any of the pages that you won't be using at this time so that they're not in your way. I'll go ahead and create an example. Today we'll be making an ebook on how to stay healthy when working from home. First, we'll update the title of the ebook. We'll update the subtitle, and we'll update the site URL in that space provided. Then we'll update the photo. You can either upload your own or you can search right in Canva for a stock photo. Now we'll add your logo and update the colors. A very cool feature in Canva is that it'll automatically suggest colors from your photograph. It helps to zoom in on this part so you can make sure you're selecting the right item in the background to update the color. Just slightly tweaking the placement of the text boxes, making sure the color is perfect. And there you go, our cover is done. The rest of the document isn't too different, so I won't go through page by page, but just like the cover, you can update your text. By double-clicking, you can paste in copy as well, and you can update your colors just like before. Don't forget to update the content in the footer on each page. You can either replace the little circle and text with your logo, or you can update the colors to match your branding. Don't forget to also update the page numbers and the title of the document there. And there you have it, your design customized with your brand colors, fonts, photos, and content. Just download the file and you're ready to start sharing.